I remember, jitni abadi utna hak, which means more population, more hak. Now he is telling South India is getting affected. Whether it's fooling the people or whether it's memory lapse because of certain influences or whether he's changing colors and stances. Because he's losing North India, now suddenly he's become a South Indian. So I don't know about it. But definitely, please don't fool the people. Was it not Rahul Gandhi who said, Jitni abadi, utna hak? Now what he's saying, South India is losing. Despite the fact that very clearly all the ministers, many ministers and Amit Bhai Shah himself in the parliament stating that South will not lose even 0.01%. If anything, it will gain by 0.11%. And he explained that. But anyway, I should really thank Rahul Gandhi. His speech in the parliament was just wonderful. For the very first time ever, I was angry with my own colleagues. He was giving such a wonderful speech. And he requested the speaker, I'm an artist, give me artistic freedom. He was explaining the color of the grass, the color of his, the magician's dress, the color of his cape. He was talking about dogs, bats, snakes, ghosts and darkness. Wonderful speech he was giving. I was very angry with my colleagues for disturbing Rahul Gandhi ji. But what was even more amazing is my Congress MP friends were very, very happy with the BJP for the very first time. Thank you for disturbing his speech. Thank you for disrupting. Otherwise, if he went on like this, Congress party would have collapsed with his speech. And it's a worthy speech. You have to really listen to everybody. I request all Indians to listen to Rahul Gandhi's speech on Women's Reservation Bill. Magicians, ghosts, darkness, dogs, and he says he's an artist and he wants to give artistic freedom. From our side, we'll give full artistic freedom to Rahul Gandhi. Thank you.